I have with me Satish Jasti. He is the president and CEO of a niche emerging bank, Lotus Bank, based here in Michigan in the city of Novi. Satish, welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's really refreshing to hear from you that Lotus Bank has come up, last 2 years ago,
Yes.
and primarily through Indian American investors, but you're focused on the as a community bank rather, focused in the town of Novi.
Right.
So, want your elaboration on that?
Well, we capitalized in February 2007 and opened the bank. We're a public company, SEC reported. We IPO'd and raised $14 million, and we're growing every year, almost 80% in loans. So far this year, we grew 80%, and it'll be 100% by in the next 3 months. Our investors are Indian Americans, about 85 to 90%. 70% of our investors came from Southeast Michigan, 30% others from all over the country. We have a couple of institutional investors. Our focus is in the general Southeast Michigan community and the city of Novi. The Asian American, Indian American business comes to us naturally. We don't have to work too much at it through referrals, through our directors. The other business, we are very much involved in the communities that we're in, and we get a lot of referrals through the chambers of commerce, etc.
In these tough economic times, we tend to focus towards entrepreneurship. And I'm sure as a bank, you're also focusing there, not just as an investment, but also to gear up the entrepreneur community here locally. Mm-hmm. Any particular challenges you face?
We're focusing on most what we call C&I, commercial and industrial business. So we don't want to be a real estate bank. We want working capital lines of credit. We want to lend equipment to term loans. We want business acquisition loans. We want to diversify our portfolio. A loan portfolio is just like a stock portfolio. You don't want 100% of your money in investment real estate or commercial real estate. So we are looking for a lot more regular business entrepreneurs that want to grow their businesses. And for startups, there's special challenges. We're a commercial bank. We're not a venture capital company. So we usually ask for SBA help in if there's any shortfall in collateral and cash flow, those kind of things. So we do small business administration 7A loans and 504 loans.
So taking forward, what is the next 5-year trajectory?
We will be at our, by the time we reach $120 million in assets, we're at 52 right now. We will have reached our growth for the capital base that we have. So we will be going out and raising more capital at that time. And we want to be we want to have at least 4 or 5 branches in Southeast Michigan, at least for the next 3-4 years. And beyond that, who knows? That depends on the growth and depends on how well we manage it.
It's refreshing to see you lead a very progressive bank focused on entrepreneurship. Satish, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you having me.